all of a sudden there's this very sharp rap at the door, and it startled me. I look over, and there's two young men standing outside. Chad is my best friend. He has a background in psychiatry.
He called me and he was genuinely scared. I have never heard Brian scared at all, ever. Certainly not like this. I had a few friends over that night, and as Brian is talking to me over the phone, they're hearing my side of the conversation. What do you mean weird, freaky kids? And one of the girls that's over says, did they have all black eyes?
She explained that she had had a dream about children with all black eyes recently. And then she told me flat out, oh, if you had let them in the car, you'd be dead now.
It was almost as scary when the girls asked about the black eyes in advance of Brian actually divulging that. Because that kind of was that little additional confirmation that there may be something here.
I wonder about the stories we don't hear. I wonder about the people who just saw a couple of kids and said, sure, you can come in. And then what happens to them?
He has family all over Texas. He was visiting family in East Texas. Okay. Decided he wanted to see some of his relatives in West Texas. And this young man, he likes to drive at night, watch the stars, and just kind of buzz across those lonely Texas roads. As he's done many times, he takes off, got his thermos full of coffee, and it's a black night, he's driving along. These back roads in Texas, a lot of times you can hit just long stretches, no houses, no nothing.
Jeez, you scared the hell out of me, kid.
I want to get in your truck.
Do you live around here, kid?
Just let me get in your truck. We can go for a ride.
Do you need to get home? Do you live around here?
Just open the door and tell me to get in. We'll have a short ride.
I don't think so, kid.
Gets down the road a little bit, his training starts to kick in. I'm trained military, why am I running from a kid? Then he starts thinking logically, maybe this is a kid that really needed help. Hits a U-turn, goes back to the spot, finds the exact spot. Searches with a flashlight, searches everywhere. No sign of this kid anywhere. He's looking all around in the distance for any kind of a light from a house, an outside light, something. There's nothing.
David Weatherly has explored the phenomena of the black-eyed kids. This poses the question, do these children somehow tie back into what we discovered at SEAL Lab with Dr. Roger Lear and Steve Coburn? Is it possible that these children are the results of a breeding program, an abduction phenomenon? Chris Blake believes that there's a group of men on this planet who call themselves the sons of the Nephilim, and that they are here to usher in the biblical Antichrist in the rebuilt temple in Jerusalem. Bob Williams proved the video we showed him was a hoax. Leah Campen encountered a black-eyed child. Gary Stearman had a close encounter of the second kind. Bottom line for me, If you encounter a black-eyed kid, don't let him in.